We are the Penta Vocals of Chemistry IBDP Year 20 to Year 22, and we will be presenting an album for you. Our group consists of Dianju Sarkar, Roshan Noah Mark, Satiksha Battani, Nishan G. Satish, and Glennis Fernandez. The learner profile is the IB mission statement translated into a set of learning outcomes for the 21st century. The learner profiles in the IBDP program are as follows.
Knowledgeable. We explore concepts and ideas and issues that have local and global significance. In doing so, we acquire in-depth knowledge and developed understanding across a broad and balanced range of disciplines. Risk takers. We approach unfamiliar situations and uncertainty with courage and forethought, and have independence of spirit to explore new roles, ideas, and strategies. We are brave and articulate in defending our beliefs.
As thinkers, we exercise initiative in applying thinking skills critically and creatively to recognize and approach complex problems and make reasoned ethical decisions. As communicators, we understand and express ideas and information confidently and creatively in more than one language and in a variety of modes of communication. We work effectively and willingly in collaboration with others.
We develop our natural curiosity. We acquire the skills necessary to conduct inquiry and research and show independence in our learning. We actively enjoy learning, and this love of learning we sustain throughout our lives. Reflective. We give thoughtful consideration to our own learning and experience. We are able to assess and understand our strengths and limitations in order to support our learning and personal development.
We are principled. We act with integrity and honesty, with a strong sense of fairness, justice, and respect for the dignity of the individual, groups, and communities. We take responsibility for our actions and the consequences that accompany them. We are caring. We show empathy, compassion, and respect towards the needs and feelings of others. We have a personal commitment to service and act to make a positive difference to the lives of others and to the environment.
Being balanced. They understand the importance of intellectual, physical, and emotional balance to achieve personal well-being for themselves and others around. Open-minded. They understand and appreciate their own cultures and personal histories and are open to the perspectives, values, and traditions of other individuals and communities. They are accustomed to seeking and evaluating a range of points of views and are willing to grow from the experience.
Through the help of music, we will be connecting the learner profiles with chemistry topics we have encountered throughout our IBDP course.
The knowledge we have, the knowledge we use to calibrate and validate and make chemistry, from physical to nuclear and stoichiometry, penicillin, polymers, and paraffin, models, experiments, and conventions. We invent and find the right concentration, only to wonder at what knowledge brings. Chemistry is full of experiments. We go through solutions, work on the elements, mixing the acids and bases, crossing over the litmus spaces. Because of the risk we take with matter, bonds of atoms, bricks, and batters, but for the world to get better, we remain the risk taker.
Acquiring the subject, trying to connect it to maths, biology, or physics. Curiosity is what drives us every time, acquiring new skills along the way. We started with stoichiometry, but there's a lot more to learn. Chemistry can never be boring. We ask questions exploring the fundamentals and basics to build the chemistry that we know. We reflect on what we study. We give thoughtful consideration to our experiences. We assess our strengths and limitations. Through asking questions, we find answers and reflect every way.
Mass of a single atom is the atomic mass. You need to know that at least if you want to pass. The amount of substance is called the mole. We often represent it as a whole. Cl or HL and inquire atop. Water with acid and not the other way around. You need all your clothes to be on top. All your talents will surely come around. Hydrogen, helium, lithium and boron. That's just the start, you know how it goes on. We students are thinkers of the world. Prepare your brain to become very good.
Do you ever feel like a lump of lead made of collineated bond metals? Did you even know you could be toxic, displacing cations from the proteins? Did you look this up and did you feel confused? Did you feel like you learned something new? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? Cause baby, there's a huge spark in you. You gotta learn chemistry, make it catch your fancy, because it's heavenly to such a great degree. The foremost profile has to be, you need to do it principally. The very next thing you need to feel, treat your teachers pleasantly, just like the laws of heat. You need to work constantly. There's one last thing you need to be mindful about AEP. The same applies to your secondary.
First thing you do when you write an equation, you balance them out to have a complete association. The law of conservation is always followed, not too much, not too little. Try to make them equal, be it planes, birds, or even a dive. We always need a position on both left and right. That's what helps make everything balanced, alright? Closed minds like a cup quite full already. No new knowledge, no new ideas, no curiosity. Beware for the stops your creativity. In history, we see how mistakes led to great inventions, the atom, insulin, and even penicillin. The model for the atom was never constant. From John to JJ to Paul and Darwin. An open mind is essential to this business.